How to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, create a backup for your Microsoft Authenticator. Open up the Authenticator. Now enter the password. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Now under backup, enable the toggle for cloud backup. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on OK. Now after creating the backup, Now once you create the backup, to recover it, simply open up the Authenticator application. Now tap on Accept, tap on Continue. Now simply tap on Restore from Backup. Now wait for some time. Now enter the email address. Now tap on Next. Now enter your password. Now tap on Sign in once you enter the password. Then you will be able to recover the application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.